It's Tech Lid, and we're bullish. The stampede is coming, baby. In this video, we will be talking about sundial growers. The ticker symbol for this stock, SNDL. At the current time of this video, SNDL is 78 cents. Remember, depending on when you see this video, it could be either higher or lower. Let's take a look at this article here from the Investor Place. The headline reads, Redditors getting excited is no reason to buy sundial stock. Right off the bat, I could immediately see there's a bit of FUD when it comes to this headline. Before we talk about this article a bit more, though, a quick disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. Always make sure to do your own due diligence and research when you invest in any type of market. When you do the homework and you do the research, you will come out winning. Bank on it. Make sure to give the video a big thumbs up so it can move the YouTube algorithm. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell to stay informed and notified. Another round of cannabis excitement has come and gone. Sundial Growers is still standing. Why? It's certainly not the financial results. Sundial brought in $45.4 million of revenue in 2020. In 2019, it brought in nearly 48 million. Do we have to talk about earnings? There aren't any. There was a loss of $205 million for 2019, $2.39 per share. Then another of 167.5 million in 2020. That's a loss of just 77 cents per share. For some reason, this stock was worth as high as 396 in early February. It opened on May 17th at 70 cents. What's the secret? Yes, Reddit is involved, but there's also a bank and a private equity firm that are keeping Sundial operating, and there's hope the legal logjam may break. Let's just speak a little bit to that 396 that happened in February. A lot of things in the market at that time were pumping. Every single stock was sort of on the high. No pun intended with that. But yeah, certainly Sundial Growers was nearly $4. Right now, it's at what? 78 cents, right? That's what I had said. Look, just to make it clear, whenever you're involved in investments, if you believe in that project, the price going down is not going to haunt you or scare you. Remember, you can always average down when the price is dipping and you get your feet wet and you buy more stocks. That way, when there is a rise, you're going to profit. A lot of people, even look, let's make it real clear here. Even if you were in at 396 and you were in before that, wow, this has dipped all the way down. If you've been accumulating and picking up SNDL, it is very possible that you're still up. It is definitely possible that you could be up big even, because there has been many opportunities and many accumulation points along the way. Now, let's talk about why they love SNDL stock. Sundial's market cap is currently $1.3 billion. Sorry about that. There are over 1.8 billion shares of SNDL outstanding. The Redditors keep buying the dip. See, this is exactly what I was talking about. And the dip keeps going lower, as our Nick Clarkson reported. Just wait for the earnings. Okay, we waited. It was another loss of 134 million Canadian dollars. Although this time there was an operating profit of 1.7 million Canadian. The earnings release called this positive, noting earnings before income taxes, depreciation, and amortization of $3.3 million Canadian. Gross revenue was 11.7 million Canadian, down 30% from the December quarter. We are pleased to announce Sndl's first ever quarter with positive earnings from operations. So it's pretty much something that's building positive momentum here. Now let's take a look at the bottom line from their article. The marijuana business still has some serious problems beyond being, illegal. First of all, that right there is some FUD because the marijuana legalization laws are working in favor just to get marijuana approved, and it has been legalized in several states across the United States. So that screams FUD all over it. The biggest may be that illegal growers can get the product to buyers' doors for about half what the legal growers must charge after they finish jumping up regulatory hoops. To make business work, either the legal price comes down or the government puts cops to work going after the illegal stuff. First of all, let me just make this clear. When it comes to any type of industry, you have something that is somewhat illegal that's happening in the background. For example, liquor stores are in operation. What happens when liquor stores are closed? There are people that have access to liquor and they could make deliveries, bootleggers, as you will. So this is nothing new. People just hustle all the time. That's what it really comes down to. So, yeah, I don't know about this article. There's certainly a lot of FUD. I can understand, yes, the price is down. Many people won't like that or appreciate that. But at the end of the day, if you average in, dollar cost average your way down, you could still be in a handsome position. Until the next time, peace and love to the Tech Lid Legion.